Imagine completing an entire project, submitting all your bills, and then waiting months or even years to receive your payment. Unfortunately, this happens more often many contractors realize. Today, we'll discuss one of the most expensive mistakes bidders make, ignoring the payment terms before submitting a bid. Understanding these clauses can protect your cash flow, your profits, and even your business. This is the part 2 of our tender red flag series. In the previous video, we discussed restrictive eligibility criteria. Today, we will focus on dangerous payment terms, clauses that can seriously affect your company's finances. Stay until the end because I will show you exactly what to check before submitting the bid. Payment terms explain how and when the client will release your money. Many bidders only check the contract value but completely ignore this section. That's a costly mistake because payment terms determine your cash flow throughout the project. A profitable contract can quickly become a financial burden if payments are delayed or restricted. The first warning sign is an unusually long payment cycle. Some tenders specify payment after 90 days, 120 days, or even 180 days. Ask yourself, can your company continue paying salaries, suppliers, fuel, equipments, rentals, and GST while waiting for the payment? If the answer is no, think carefully before bidding. One of the most dangerous clauses says something like payment is subject to availability of funds. This means the client may delay payment until they receive money from another source. Even after completing the work successfully, your payment could remain pending. Always read this clause carefully. Good contracts clearly define payment milestones. For example, 25% after mobilization, 50% after completion of major work, 25% after final completion. But some tenders simply say payment will be released after satisfactory completion. Without clear milestones, disputes become much more likely. Retention money is common in construction projects. However, if the retention percentage is unusually high or the release conditions are unclear, it can severely impact your working capital. Always check how much will be retained, when will be released, under what conditions. Some contracts allow the client to delay payments without paying any interest. That means your money remains stuck while your business continues to bear all operating costs. Always read the clause related to delayed payments and interest. Before participating in any tender, always review these 5 payment related points: payment schedule, milestones, retention money, fund availability, delay clauses. If multiple warning signs appear together, reconsider whether the opportunity is worth the financial risk. Sometimes choosing not to bid is the smartest business decision. Imagine two contractors winning similar project worth rupees 1 crore. Contractor A receives payments every month according to milestones. Contractor B waits 6 months because the tender says payment subject to fund availability. Both completed the same work but only one maintained healthy cash flow. That's why reading payment terms before bidding is essential. Let's quickly recap today's lesson. Always watch for long payment cycles, payment subject to fund availability, missing payment milestones, high retention money, and delayed payment clauses. If multiple warning signs appear together, think twice before submitting your bid. That concludes red flag number 2. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Tender Insights. In the next video, we will discuss hidden penalties and liquidated damages, clauses that can silently eliminate your profit even after completing the project successfully. Don't miss it.